Hello everyone. Umgozi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So Sophie Ndaba, you all know Sophie Ndaba from each generation. Abito ngokuthi Queen. So beka ku anniversary 20-year anniversary yema security company purchase from. So Sophie Ndaba wakhuluma esigaca sendzaba guys ukuthi akazange aphatheke kahle when people were busy bakhuluma ngaye bathi yena uyagula une-HIV and AIDS. Can people didn't know that Sophie Ndaba is suffering from sugar diabetes, guys. Sophie Ndaba bekahlushwe sugar diabetes. You know sugar diabetes can be so dramatic, and uthi yena vele from a young age ucale kuba i-caregiver from a very young age because both her parents batali bakhe boyithu bane-sugar diabetes. So vele yena shothi ukhule from a family yeshukela. So she knows about it, diabetes, and she had to take care of batali bakhe at a very young age. That is why maybe now because diabetic is genetically. So I think that is why naye abe soba nayo. So guys, at least now he's better. Ubuyile back on our scene siyambona. He's getting better, guys. So uthi semiyekeleni kumkhuluma sithi yena HIV positive what simjaje kakhulu ngema illness akhe before azagule vele bese simlebulile ukuthi now man uyagula lona unje. So nyalo I think we all know ukuthi no umogele uhlushwa i-diabetics, guys. Uthi simphule kakhulu inhlitiyo. So injalo guys, indaba kaSophie Ndaba, she's battling a sugar diabetes. So girl, let's keep her in our prayers. Thank you guys. Have a lovely evening. Good night, guys.